Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lisa Zora. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back guys. And if you're just passing through, welcome just the same. Now, as it says in the title below, in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get a team on your website, to have your website looking like mine, of course, which it doesn't, well, to your likings, where you edit your website yourself without paying someone to do it for you. Now, in my last video, which would be somewhere in the, I'm not going to put it in the description, but I'm going to put it at the end of the video. You're going to see how you can create this website. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a team. Now, the last account that I had, the one that I created on that, I lost the information that I used, so I had to start all over again and created a new account. And I did some sites on it and I closed them, so I'm going to reopen and show you guys how to edit it. So if you haven't followed the process that I've showed you in the last video, I want to go ahead and check it out before you come on over to this video. So let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is log in, and I automatically save this, which I'm going to blur this because yeah, this is my email, personal email. So now, as you can see, the maximum account that you can use is actually 3. You can't have any more than 3. You only need 3 accounts. So that's the limit Profile give you. So you can only have 3 accounts. Now, each website, you get a hosting for it, and it's different website. One of the things that I told you guys earlier, that this website cannot be secure. And yeah, so what I'm going to do with this website is that I'm going to reactivate it. It shouldn't be the process, because once you have, once you did the steps that I told you and you got your account, so let's go ahead and reactivate it. So once you did the process that I did and you have your account, so me reactivating it, I closed it and reactivated it. So basically, I think I'm going to have to start all over again just the same. So yeah, so once you click log into your client here, you'll see the name of your website as you can see right here. So let me go back to my client area. So this right here is my client area. And once you log in, you're going to see your client areas. Ignore the ads, or if you see something interesting that you like, you can always go ahead and click on it. Maybe have benefit to you, but not for me. But anyways, I'm gonna pause this until the website activated, and then I'll come right back. Okay guys, so sorry about that. So now our website is activated. So now that it is activated, we are gonna go ahead. As you can see, let me go back to my client area, and as you can see, it's now activated back. It took a little while, but not too long. It took a little while, but it didn't take that long to reactivate. Now, one of the things that I will suggest to you, when you open your website and also you open with Profile, I think you should wait a while, like probably 3 days or even a week before you decide to do anything, because I guess the system is still processing your account, even though we say that it is live. Because in the video that I showed you earlier, when I clicked on the website, it showed me unasked.com, and I was saying you can get your website for this. But let me go ahead and click on Leah at unasked.com. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click back on that. And when I click, this is what you should see after you have your website for a while, even though you haven't installed anything to any team or anything like that, like WordPress to have your website looking like mine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on manage account, because when I click on my account a while ago, as you can see, this is what I have, and this is not what we want when people type in leah@unasked.com. So I'm gonna go to my control panel as I clicked on earlier, I'm going to click on right here. We're going to click on manage and we click on the control panel and it's going to redirect me. Now, as you can see, once you do this, click on send anyway, you have to agree to their terms and all of that, which I already did that earlier. So you're going to see something come up and I'm going to ask you, just click approve. Anything that I ask you, just approve it. If you disapprove it, then you won't be able to do that. So I'm going to go right here where it says soft Oculus installer, and I need a background. So it's already there, and this is WordPress, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on install because that's what I want. Now, as you can see, this is my website URL, which is leahanask.com. And if I pronounce this wrong, please correct me. So I want my site name to be Leah. So whenever people, you're gonna see, type in my URL, you're gonna see Leah, and I want my site description to be Leah, let's see, fancy, just sing. And you're gonna scroll down, and once you do that, you're gonna type in your name, which is, I'm gonna use Leah. For my background now, this is an admin account. Admin account is a must. That's the only way you can edit your website. Now, you can put the email that you want to use right here, which this will probably be, yeah, I'm just going to leave that email right there, but you can go ahead and put the email right there and go ahead and type in the password that you want to use. And that's the password we're going to use, and let's scroll down. And you're going to select the team. So what you can do, you can click the arrow here and you'll see more options for team, like it's going to scroll over. So let's say, let me go back. Educate, ensuring, welcome, and this is a food. Let's say we want to do a food website. So you're going to click on it, or you just click on select. And once you do, you find the theme that you want to do, you're going to click install. Please write down the admin name that you use and the admin password that you use, because you will be needing it to log into edit your website to your likings. So as you can see, it says, congratulations, my software has been successfully installed. So when I click on leahanask.com, as you can see, it takes it. This is the WordPress background. So when I click on it, I realize that it's not going on it, which that's not supposed to write. So it seems as if I did not click on the team, or let me go ahead and I'm going to check the import, because that's not what's supposed to be there. So I'm going to go in the settings of the WordPress. So I'm going to do to return to overview, which I should go ahead and email, and recently installed, and I'm going to go and edit my WordPress and see if I could re-choose over a theme. Okay, and I'm going to update it. I'm a little bit shocked because that's not supposed to happen. Okay, so I can't say. So let's go ahead and I'm going to click back on my website and I'll get back. So scroll down and still not there. Let me try my back office. There you go, guys. I'm sorry about this a while ago, but you see, I had to change and select over the team. It seems as if it took a little while to load, and this might happen to you guys as well, as I said before, during my first video. And I'm not gonna record over this video, and I'm not gonna change this video because all the information that I'm giving is 100% correct. So I had to go and change over my team. I don't know if I was clicking it twice, or because I was clicking it twice, I was clicking it on and off. So that's what it looks like when I chose the restaurant. And one of the things that you can do, just like what, just give it a little time to load on your site. So that is how you get a team for your website. If this video was helpful, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video where I'll show you guys how to log into your back office and customize this theme to what you want on your website. Okay, guys, stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm sorry about the little mishap. I guess it was my mistake for double clicking it. I was clicking it on and off. So it seems as if it wasn't added to it, or it could just simply take a while to load, which that can happen because normally when you activate a website, it takes a website takes a little while to be activated on the web overall. Okay, so like a couple minutes. Okay, guys, so I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video when you can customize this to your liking. Bye, guys.